Welcome back to the channel, jacobcrypobury. Thanks for being here. Subscribe if you're new. I hope you guys are doing well. Now, if you've been following this channel over the last few days, you would now know about the Thug Life token that recently went live and delivered basically 132% profits to people, as well as the Mr. Hanky South Park character. This was a straight to Dex shitcoin. I want to let you guys know a little secret. Well, there's actually going to be another South Park character launching a little bit later today. You'll find out in the Discord. Of course, VIPs will find out first. So do get yourself into the Discord channel down below. We're 17,000 members strong. And you're going to find out about a new token. Basically, you won't know what the link to the token is, even if you do know the name of the project, because I get these very, very special links come my way sometimes. So I'm going to let you guys know about that later. Also, if you want access to a bunch of awesome looking trading signals, we have you covered as well. We've got all the entry stop loss points. We've got basically everything you could possibly need in this Discord server right now. We've got leverage signals, spot signals, pre-sales, ICO, straight to Dex's, stealth launches. We got the whole lot, guys, so just make yourself feel welcome. Anyone is welcome from across the entire globe. And yeah, get yourself in the Discord down below. So let's check out the Chainlink price today. You may be aware that Chainlink is moving up 7%. Chainlink is one of the OG cryptocurrencies, and we're going to look at a very interesting chart on this today, a logarithmic regression chart. I want to show you why this is important. I want to show you why I think Chainlink is potentially undervalued right now. But remember, guys, this is not financial advice. So a little bit of key news around Chainlink. Just recently, 7 hours ago, Chainlink launches cross-chain protocol bridging blockchain to ToadFi. So several top banks around the world are already collaborating with Chainlink to explore applications for the cross-chain interoperability protocols. That's pretty big cheese right there. This is the stuff that you want to hear as a retail investor. The development firm behind the Chainlink protocol and its native Link $7.10 token has gone live with its cross-chain protocol. So this is really, really good, guys. We can see there's actually a post right here from Chainlink saying the Chainlink cross-chain interoperability protocol has officially launched on Avalanche, Ethereum, Optimism, and Polygon mainnet. So 3 or 4 different blockchain ecosystem chains right there, which is really, really nice. So they had a little video go out. Just a little graphical video, really. I mean, it just sort of hypes what's going on, but I think this is really nice to see this sort of development within a bear market as well. So here is a network map of exactly what that means. So you guys that are like proper crypto geeks, DeFi sort of geeks will understand this, but if you took a screenshot of this, maybe you could sort of understand what this means. A bit complex for me without doing the actual overall, you know, deep sea dive research. But anyhow, Chainlink looking pretty good at the moment. $3.8 billion market capital. In retrospect, we can see Chainlink actually had a $20 billion market cap. So in order to get back there, we need to see Chainlink do a 5x from the current position. Of course, the supply has changed since over here in 2021. So it might not actually be pragmatic to expect an all-time high in terms of the price of the coin, because a 5x would take you to $35 price, of course a $20 billion market capital, but $35 is so far off the previous all-time high of 49. So we'd need to see at least a $40 billion market capital for Chainlink in 2025 in order to see some impressive gains and progress. What else have we got going on? $2,500 giveaway, everybody. That is happening. Please do check it out down below in my description box. There's a tweet link right there you can check out. Enter, get yourself in the Discord. That will also get you entered as well. And it's literally 2 days away until I announce that somebody is going to win $2,500 inside the Discord, and I can't wait to do this. We do it every now and then, and it just really gives a nice bit of, I guess, it just gives a bit of reward back to the community. It helps boost morale within a bear market, and it's just so fun to see the community have, you know, all this excitement around this sort of period. So what's going on? I'm going to share with you my Chainlink chart right here. So in my opinion, let's just blow this up a little bit. Basically, if we go all the way back to 2017, I'm going to talk you through it. We have the green phase here, which is the bull market where we're in an uptrend. Then we go through the extreme fear phase, bear market, back into a downtrend. So the first bear market here took 175 days, then it was 300 days of sideways trading in consolidation. Fast forward to 2019, we had another very quick bull run here. Chainlink moved quite rapidly as you can see, the price did rocket up by 10x very momentarily. Remember, the pumps are nowhere near as long as the bear market. So you've got about a year in the uptrend, usually 3 years in the downtrend and the sideways consolidation. And we see here, downtrend for 217 days. Then sideways trading for 189 days. We had the COVID washout here, so it wasn't an anomalous event, a black swan event we call them. And then we go into the bull run, which was actually 1 year long of solid uptrend into a 1 year downtrend. And now I believe that we are in the sideways trading phase. So we're in the accumulation. We've already seen the downtrend. We've seen the extreme fear. We've seen the capitulation and the liquidity, right? We've seen it all withdrawn. We are now in accumulation season, and it is lasting longer than I expected, because I thought at 329 days we might start to enter the green zone. However, it's now been 441 days, longer than any cycle, just sitting there sideways in this insane looking, if you want to call it a horizontal channel, that is absolutely fine. So this is crazy. This is really, really crazy. And in my opinion, we're still in a very healthy accumulation zone. But what this makes me believe is every other cycle, you can see that the green uptrend did destroy or go higher than the previous green box. So every time the green box is going higher. So it makes me think, okay, can the green box go higher than the previous green box? Because we do need to see some sort of all-time high. I don't know when, but it does give me a target of $50 to $131 for Chainlink at some point. If we look at the previous cycle, we came out the bottom, we pumped 3,368%. It's probably going to be diminishing returns from here. You're looking at a potential 10x in my opinion. That's being not too bullish, not too moon boy. And this is why I honestly think buying Chainlink could be a good decision. You know, there's potential there. We had this washout here, early June with the SEC FUD. That's what made Chainlink lose support. So seeing Chainlink hit $4.86 was a real good buying opportunity. Of course, this is all long-term analysis. If we're looking at the short term, we still need to break through the $8.52 major resistance, and we've still got $5.65 as a support. But the general overall trend here is that buying around the 20-day moving average. So if you're getting your buy orders around $6.84, you're not too far off the right place. Of course, you'd rather wait for the extreme fear, the crashes below the 20-day moving average on the weekly. I mean, like these areas here, you've got the blue line, which is your 20-day moving average. So buying here was great, buying here was great, buying here was freaking great, and of course down here as well. Try to avoid buying the top. Don't chase the green candles. Wait for that breakdown below the 20-day moving average. That's what I do. On the weekly time frame, set yourself a 20-day moving average. Wait for the huge breakdowns. Look at the big red candles. Look at the oversold RSI positions on the relative strength index, and that should help guide you. Anyway, this video is probably done now. I hope it was somewhat helpful. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment. Let's boost this channel to 20,000 people. 20,000. We deserve it. We deserve it. One of the coolest discords out there. One of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies discords out there with a fantastic group of moderators and community. And yeah. What do we think is going to happen for Chainlink? 10x, 20x by 2025? Let me know in the comments. Got some cool stuff down in the links and description. Remember, this is not financial advice at all. Always do your own research and back it up with your own due diligence. See you soon. Bye now.